Almighty Allah. I am your English teacher, Miss Husna Doha. Dear students, yesterday we left our class incomplete due to some technical issues. Today we will start from that place. Our topic was handwriting pattern A to Z. Open your rough register, English portion in it. Take out your rough register and sharp pencil. Yesterday we have started the topic. We have written A, A. Capital A in the upper three lines and small a in the middle two lines. Capital B in the upper three lines and small b also in the upper three lines. C in the upper three lines and small c in the middle two lines. Capital D in the upper three lines, small d in the upper three lines. E in the upper three lines and small e in the middle two lines. F in the upper three lines and the small f also in the upper three lines. G in the upper three lines and small g in the lower three lines. H in the upper three lines and the small h also in the upper three lines. I in the upper three lines, small I in the middle two lines. J in the upper three lines, small j in the lower three lines. K in the upper three lines, small k in the lower three lines. L in the upper three lines, small l also in the upper three lines. M in the upper three lines and small m in the middle two lines. Now, dear students, we are starting from letter N. Hold your pencils tightly and use the same page. Okay. N, write N, touch the first line, go down, and then again go up. Slowly go down again and again go up. It's your letter N, capital N. Okay. We use the term uppercase for capital letters too. जो capital letters होते हैं हम उसको uppercase भी बोलते हैं. And for the small letters, we use the term lowercase. Okay. Now write small n, touch the second line, go down, touch the third line, and little band, touch the third line again. It's your n with a small tail. Okay. Right. Okay. Now move towards the next column. It's the turn of O. Write O like this. Touch the upper three lines properly. It's the uppercase of O. O. Repeat with me. O. Again, the lowercase of O, the small O. Right in the middle two lines. O. Just like this. Have you written? Okay. Now move towards the next column. It's the turn of the next letter, which is P. P. Start from the first line, go down, touch the third line, and then circle on the top in the upper two lines. It's P. P. Okay. Join your lips, touch your lips with each other. P. The sound of P. P. Okay. Now write the lowercase of p. Start from the second line, go down, draw a straight line, then a little circle in the middle two lines with a small tail. Okay, small extension. थोड़ा सा ये निकलेगा ऊपर की तरफ. P, capital P, the uppercase of P, small p, the lowercase of p. Okay, move towards the next line. It's the turn of Q. Make a circle in the upper three lines just like this. Then a little line touching the third line. It's Q. Q. It's the uppercase of Q. Now write the small q, a little circle in the middle two lines, then go down and a little bend, but keep in mind that you will not touch this one line, okay? And over here, a small extension, okay? A small line on the top. Q, the lower case of Q. Have you written? Good job. Q. Now move towards the next column. R. Draw a straight line like this. A little circle. Touch this straight line again. And its tail touching the third line. It's R. R. Okay. It's the uppercase of R. Capital R. Now small r. We will write this R in the middle two lines. Straight line, go up and a little extension. It's your lower case of R, the small r. R. Repeat with me. R. Now move towards the next column. S. The next letter is, the next alphabet is S in the upper three lines. S. Write like this. It's S. Now write small s in the middle two lines, just like the capital S, but we have written the capital S in the upper three lines. And now we will write the small s in the middle two lines, just like this. Again, move towards the next column. T. P. Line on the first line on the top, then go down, straight line just like this. It's your uppercase of T or capital T. Now write the small t, the lowercase of t, which is like this, T, and hand on the middle line. It's T. Okay? S, T, T. Now move towards the next line. Put your pencil on the top, on the first line. U. Go down, then bend, go up, touch the first line again. It's U. U. Okay. Now write small u in the middle two lines. Write like this and a little tail. Okay. Write neatly. Now again move towards the next column. U, V, V. Straight line. Then again bend and touch the first line. It's V, capital V, small v in the middle, two lines, just like the capital one, but it's in the middle two lines. It's V. U, V. Now it's the turn of W. Straight line in the upper three lines. Go up, touch the first line, go down, touch the third line, then again go up. It's your W. W. Now write small w in the middle two lines, just like the capital one, but right in the middle two lines. W. It's W. Now the next alphabet is X. X. A big cross. Cross. Okay. By touching the first line and third line. First line and third line. It's the capital X. Now small x in the middle two lines. Capital X, small x. Now, in the next line, leave this column because we have only two alphabets more. The last two alphabets, Y, in the upper three lines. Okay, just like this. And the small y is write U first in the middle two lines and then go down and little bang. It's Y. Then move towards the next column. Z. Z in the upper three lines, just like this. And the small z, just like the capital one, but in the middle two lines. Z. Okay, dear. Now repeat with me. As you know, we have 26 alphabets in A to Z, letters in A to Z alphabet. Okay, these all are 26 in number. Now repeat with me. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, I, I, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Okay, students, it's our first topic. Now we have finished this topic. Draw a margin line in the last, just like this, in the middle of these four lines. Just like this, but draw these lines with pencil and ruler. Okay. Hope you all have understood this topic. Now, in homework, you will write these alphabets from A to Z in your rough copy 2 times. Okay? Neat and clean. Your homework is in handwriting pattern from A to Z. Okay? Uh, okay. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.